together. The future of food likely lies not in a battle between AI and human chefs, but in a harmonious collaboration between the two. Imagine a kitchen where AI assists human chefs handling repetitive tasks, ensuring precision, and offering data-driven insights. In this collaborative environment, AI could free up chefs to focus on creativity, experimentation, and the artistic aspects of cooking. Chefs could leverage AI's data processing capabilities to refine recipes, discover new flavor combinations, and push the boundaries of culinary innovation. This partnership could lead to a new era of culinary experiences where technology enhances human creativity and makes delicious food more accessible. Combining AI's efficiency with the human touch's artistry and passion could create a culinary symphony.
Section 5. Ethical Eating. Concerns with AI in food. As with any transformative technology, integrating AI into the culinary world raises ethical considerations. One concern is the potential impact on employment. If robots become commonplace in kitchens, what will happen to the millions of people employed as cooks, chefs, and food service workers? Another concern is food safety. Ensuring the hygiene and safety of AI-powered cooking systems is paramount. Regular maintenance, rigorous cleaning protocols, and robust safety mechanisms are essential to prevent contamination and ensure consumer safety. Additionally, there are concerns about data privacy. AI systems collect data on cooking habits, preferences, and dietary restrictions. Protecting this data and ensuring it is not misused is crucial for maintaining consumer trust and preventing potential misuse.
Section 6. The future of food AI on the menu. AI is poised to transform the culinary landscape, offering both exciting possibilities and valid concerns. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it will continue to reshape how we cook, eat, and think about food. The key to successfully integrating AI into the culinary world lies in finding the right balance between technological advancement and human expertise. By embracing collaboration and addressing ethical concerns, we can create a future where AI enhances the culinary experience and makes delicious, safe, and accessible food for everyone. The future of food is exciting, and AI is undoubtedly a part of it. However, the heart of cooking will always lie in the passion, creativity, and human connection that make food more than just sustenance, but a celebration of life, culture, and shared experiences.